Hey guys, welcome to the Munchie Kitchen. Today we have for you a simple but fun party snack for some Easter entertaining. They're cute deviled bunny eggs. Let's hop to the recipe. For a dozen bunnies, we will need 6 whole eggs, 3 tablespoon mayo, 2 teaspoon mustard, 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar, a quarter teaspoon paprika and sugar, salt and pepper to taste, green onion for the ears, and carrot for the eyes. For this recipe, we will need hard-boiled eggs. Start by placing the eggs in a pot on the stove and cover with water. Turn on the heat to bring the water to a boil. Once it reaches the boiling point and you can see it bubbling, adjust the heat to medium or medium-low to keep it at a gentle boil, then start your timer for 8 minutes. We want to keep the boil gentle so we don't accidentally crack the eggs. While the eggs are boiling, prepare an ice bath to which we will transfer the cooked eggs. The ice bath consists of cold water and some ice cubes in a large bowl. This will help stop the cooking and cool them down for peeling. While the eggs are cooling, we can work on our bunny eyes and ears. First, we'll peel the carrot. And then we'll get a few thin slices for the eyes. Take a slice and cut them into squares in the approximate size that you will want your eyes, so not very big. Next, we will cut the square into a rough circle. You can freehand it by simply cutting the tips off of the corners, or here I take a chopstick and leverage the small circle shape at the end to cut around it. We will need 24 of these pieces. For the ears, we take a stalk of green onion, cut off the bottom corner diagonally. This piece can be discarded. Continue to slice following the same line. Here you can see the bunny ear taking shape. We will need 24 whole pieces. Once they're cut, cover them tightly until they are ready to use, as they will wilt if you don't. Now we peel the cooled eggs and cut each peeled egg in half. Carefully spoon the yolk out into a separate bowl. Alright guys, it's seasoning time. Add the condiments and other seasonings as listed. The salt and pepper here is to taste. I used about an 1/8 teaspoon of each, but feel free to adjust to your liking. Then we mash and mix with a fork until well combined and creamy. Now that our individual components are ready to go, the last thing will be assembly. Take an egg white half and spoon the creamy yolk filling back into the hollow. I like to pack mine pretty well because the filling is my favorite part. Just make sure that you have enough for all 12 bunnies. You can swipe away any extra filling with your finger to clean it up. Pop the pair of eyes on. Take a piece of the green onion and hold it so that the bottom corner acts like a scoop. Squeezing the sides together, stick the pointy end into the filling. Alright guys, let's do that one more time. Repeat with the rest and serve immediately! Happy Easter, folks!